In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task management in Monday.com. We'll start on the Monday.com homepage. This is your hub, and from here you can jump into Workspaces, which you'll find in the left sidebar. Workspaces are like folders for teams or projects, helping you keep boards grouped logically so everything stays easy to find as your work grows. To create a place for your tasks, click the plus icon and choose Board. A board is where your tasks live, so give it a clear, action-oriented name. Think about how people will search for it later. A name like Marketing Sprint, Q1, or Website Redesign Tasks is much more helpful than something generic. Next, choose the privacy level that fits your situation. If your whole team needs access, set it so it's visible to them. If it's sensitive or still in draft, keep it private until you're ready. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to collaborate. You'll be prompted to select what you're managing in this board. This helps Monday tailor the structure, so choose the category that aligns with your work, like tasks or projects. Then click Create Board to open it up. Inside the new board, you'll see a default group at the top. A group is a section that organizes items. Rename this group to something meaningful. For example, if this is a project board, you might use a phase name. This brings us to structuring your workflow. Base your groups on your needs like planning, design, development, or whatever stages your team uses. Clear group names make status and progress instantly visible. You can also add a new group whenever you need another stage or bucket. Use the Add New Group option and name it to reflect how work actually moves through your process. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always reorder or rename groups as your project evolves. Add as many groups as you need to represent your flow end to end. The goal is to keep related tasks together so you and your team can scan, prioritize, and understand what's next without digging. Finally, assign ownership. Click the person cell for a task to assign it to the right teammate. Assigning clearly ensures accountability and triggers notifications so the owner knows what to do. If your board template includes a people column, this will be straightforward. Click, search, and select. Keep one primary owner per task when possible, and use the description or comments to provide context. That's it. Create your board, set privacy, structure your groups, and assign tasks so your team always knows who's doing what and when.